that we have many courses in BSc like biology, biotechnology, microbiology, etc. But BSc Forensic Science is one of the most unique course that we have, right? So why should I choose BSc Forensic Science as compared to other courses? Because as far as I know, that BSc Forensic Science has got a vast scope in the field and in experiments and job prospects. So I just want to know why BSc Forensic as compared to other courses.
From the starting, if we say the nature of student is changing day by day, the nature of a person is changing day by day. Now student are not that kind ki they want to study and become the IAS or IPS or the said jobs they want to achieve, but now student want to give weightage to their personality, to their instinct, their innate nature. And forensic being a very creative side of a person, so the student, the aspirant who directly relate themselves, they who want to relate themselves with the creativity within themselves, they choose forensic science. So forensic science is a subject which is chosen by student to enhance their creativity, to enhance their applied logical thinking. And उसके बाद में the career is the consequent career options are many.
Biotechnology, microbiology, which is relatively quite old as compared to the forensic science. Forensic science graduate course is something which is coming up nowadays, and students are taking interest, but still they are not having enough knowledge about the career prospects and the kind of job which they can be get after completing the course. So first of all, the career options are good. That on government job you can definitely be one of the forensic expert, because every district has a forensic science laboratory under police headquarters of that particular district. And as a state, we do have a medical legal department which works at a state level, which is situated in Bhopal in case of Madhya Pradesh, and mostly at the capital places of all the other states. So they are having the regular requirements of forensic expert as an interns also and as an expert also. Now BSc Forensic is a very basic course which give you detail about all the forensic tools and techniques which is to be used. After completing the BSc, the student has to decide where he or she wants the expertise to be developed in that particular area of forensic science, because forensic science is a very vast area which includes not only the fingerprints analysis, not only the postmortems, not only the DNA fingerprinting, but a hair analysis is also included in the forensic science, as well as the entire body analysis is also included. So the area is very wide. So a student has to choose the expertise area where he or she can be develop herself or himself. But at the same time, it is a tough field to work on, because every time, most of the time, you have to see a very not pleasant views in the field when you go for the crime scene analysis or something like this. So the person who is taking the forensic science has to be emotionally very tough and stable.